Oh my god.
Hello boys and girls, how you doing? It's me, Daily Vlogger here. Now if you watched the other vlog, I said a lot that I haven't uploaded, and as you see, I haven't. So I'm going to try and upload as much as I can this week to make up for it. If you watched the other one as well, at the end, I'm in the exact same spot because I've literally just finished this, turned it back on and recorded again. So anyway, so this is going to be the start. Yeah, so all I'm doing is still playing some Gmod. As you can see, it's loading at the moment. But that's what I'll be doing today. I'll be indoors, but I'll try and do like a challenge. I'll see if I can find a challenge to do. Yeah, so that's what I'm going to try and find next. Hello.
Hello.
Say hi to all the viewers.
Hello everyone.
Good morning. I'm joking. See, my sister's playing with some Shopkins and Skylanders.
Yes.
And what you watched is SpongeBob.
Yep.
That's yeah, that's what she's doing. And as you know, I'm in the other room. There's the birds. Hello. Yeah, they're a bit scared, but you know, you'd know. So, how's your days doing? Good. The weather is not very good at all, as you can see behind me. Wait, that's, yeah, you can kind of see, but it's just not good. It's really not. Right, we've teleported all the way through the day. We're at night. We're gonna do fireworks, but I'll try to record it. But if you do not see any footage, that's because it's terrible. Okay, even if it's bad, I'll try and do it anyway. But because it'll be dark and this is rubbish in the dark. But I'll try and record stuff. So that's hopefully what you'll see next. But I'm not guaranteeing it, okay? Okay. Hello everyone. So I'm in the dark. We haven't started yet. I'm using a light as my lighting. Pointing it at my face. So that's what I'm using for lighting. Sorry if you can't see me. The camera's glitching out as. So my only lighting is this torch. I'm sorry. How can you see me there? That's alright. But yeah, that's my lighting basically. So at the moment I'm in pitch black. I can't see where I'm going. You probably can't see anything. So yeah, let's try and start the bonfire. So we've done the bonfire, as you can see. Look at that beauty. We've got some fireworks on. We're putting them basically in there, and a few in there. Yeah, we got the bonfire going really nicely. Look at that. But anyway, that's what we got so far. So we'll see what we got next. Right. Ooh.
You should have tested one first before you've done that. See, that's better. Not mine. Chris, can move up a bit over. That way. See, that's better. Not mine. Chris, can move up a bit over. That way.
That's a run. It's alright, ain't a queuing. Yeah, go on, do it. Turn around, you're going to watch it. That's alright, yeah, ready and quick.
Oh, yeah. That's similar to what we just had.
The fire is growing. Yeah. Still a few more fireworks to go there. So yeah, more fireworks next. Let's see. So that's not even half of our fireworks. We've still got a lot more. I'm not going to record all of them, but I'll still record as many as I can. Yeah. That is loud.
They're louder.
I'm sorry if we made you deaf. RIP headphone users. Yeah, we did not know that was loud at all. Yeah. So, yeah, you just saw that go terribly wrong. Nothing happened actually, which was really lucky. But, yeah, so next fireworks. Not really.
Out of the way, you Mr. Quick. Hey. Oh my. Can't remember.
The glass will melt.
Yeah,
Will the glass melt
You'll find
there?
out in the morning, right?
That's
Gonna
it.
melt there.
What's the
Oh. Go on. Then again.
And the glass is gone.
Huh?
Well,
See, look.
nowhere
Yeah,
to be
where's the
seen.
glass? Exactly. You pushed it right under.
So everyone, I'm back inside. The fire's like died out now. We've run out of fireworks. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed. It's the longest it has been in a while. Like I said, I'll try and upload as much as I can because to make up for like the 7 days I missed out. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed. I've got Twitter and Instagram links in the description. Have a nice day and stay happy.